Good Friday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Let's dive into your Noyes notes today. Wind kicks up as a cold front slides through today. It'll shift around to behind the front to the west and eventually northwest. Gusts to 35 miles per hour. You'll notice the breeze, and you know what else that means. Elevated fire concerns. In fact, red flag warnings are up for portions of New England as the fire danger is going to be peaking today. A combination of the wind, the dry conditions, and the low relative humidity. Cool and dry weekend with another warm up next week. In fact, we could be talking more 70s by the middle part of the week. Speaking of warmth, it is a mild start out there, so the kiddos don't need the sweatshirt or the fall jacket if they don't want it. Temperatures 60s and 70s, short sleeves, shorts, sneakers, just fine with increasing sunshine through the course of the day today with clearing coming in behind the front. Now, predicted wind gusts, you notice, will ramp up over the course of mid to late morning, 20 to 30 miles per hour, all the way from the northern tip of Maine to the southwest corner of Connecticut. Doesn't really matter where you go today. There will be gusts region-wide that top out 20 to 35 miles per hour. Can't rule out an isolated gust to 40. And of course, with elevation in some of the mountains, we'll have some gusts actually that go 40 to 50 miles per hour. And the summits higher, of course, the higher up you go. Meanwhile, predicted gusts by tonight will slowly ease to about the 10 to 20 mile per hour range. And then tomorrow morning, waking up, there will still be some gusts that go 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe a little bit higher in eastern Massachusetts before gradually easing through the day tomorrow. So it's really the next 24 hours we're concerned with this red flag warning and this elevated fire danger for now in terms of the wind. Now, predicted radar. Between now and late morning, there will still be a few spotty showers around. They're light. I don't even think it's worth having the umbrella. Midday, there may still be a shower in Cape Cod and far eastern and northern Maine. Notice the clearing that comes in. Notice a couple of showers still possible in the far north country through the late afternoon and evening hours. So with this warmth that's still in place as the front comes through, we're talking about near or more record-breaking warmth in spots. Southern New England highlighted here. Windsor locks Connecticut. I don't think we'll quite get to 81. Providence and Boston, it's going to be close with the records. Same for Worcester, the record to beat 73 back in 2003. For Vineyard Haven and Chatham and some spots on the Cape and Islands, the records to beat are lower in the upper 60s to around 70. And I do think we will beat or exceed these. The one in the Vineyard was set back in 2013, Chatham back in 2019. As most of us in southern New England climb well into the 70s again, it won't be quite as warm as it was yesterday. And the farther north you go, we actually hit our highs earlier in the day. The North Country, 60 to 65, but then cooling through the 50s during the afternoon. 60s in the Crown of Maine, 70 plus though from the Turnpike back down to the coastline. Now tonight will be colder than we've been the past few nights, and that's because it's just been so mild. So get ready for more seasonable temperatures again. 30s through the interior of southern New England, western, central, northern New England, about 40 to 45 the farther south and east you come. Still that active breeze, so that should inhibit any frost development tonight, although the far north country will see a few temperatures that dip to right around that magical 32-degree mark. Mainly clear to partly cloudy skies through the overnight tonight. Now, weekend details are in Insights on our website, our app, of course, the videos at the top, and on social media. You can download our app for free in the App Store, Google Play. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. We love hearing your feedback. And of course, our merchandise store is open. Holiday season right around the corner. Check it out. So many items, colors, sizes to choose from. Swag.onedegreeoutside.com. Have a great day.